In task 10, we're dividing whole numbers into decimal numbers. The key thing in doing these problems is to note where the decimal place is and keep your numbers nicely and evenly sorted, your digits I should say, above the numbers concerned. Now in the first instance, this is a division by 10, so it's a bit of a choice here. You could choose to move the decimal point one place to the right, or 0.91. Now if we don't do that, we simply work through, working from left to right. Now 10s won't go into 9, so put a 0 above that and line up the decimal place. So 10s into 91 will go 9 times and 1 over. 10s into 10 go once. Please note, I get the same answer no matter which of the two methods I follow. Now in D, I line this up, so I've got my 9 dividing into 92.9. I'll line up a decimal point placer for those two questions. Now 9s into 9 go once, no remainder. 9s into 2 won't go, so I put a 0 there and move the 2 to the next point. Now 9s into 29 go 3 times with 2 over. 9s into 20 go 2 with 2 over. And what you will find is, if you continue doing that, you'll have the answer 10.322. So rather than working through and continuing to do 2s forever and ever, I'll round that off to 10.32 and make a note that 2 decimal places be my rounding point. Now when I come to F, what I've got to do now is to carefully align the decimal places. Now 12s won't go into 3. I wouldn't put a 0 there, but I'll actually run it to 35. They go into 35 twice, and 11 over. Now 12s into 114 won't go 10 times, go 9 times. And then I've then got a total of 6 remainder. 12s into 60 go 5 times, which is 2.95. Now, in this instance, I have to use units, so 2.95. I've got to be honest with you, I would normally do that on a calculator. So I'll just get my calculator out and just quickly check that answer. Calculator doesn't work. There we go. Sorry about that. $2.95. And what you'll find is the further you get into this unit, the more involved the divisions become, the more outside what's reasonably expected for everyday experience, the more we'll be using our calculator. Notice here how I'll be using this little white, pink and blue calculator as my scientific calculator as I go.